So if you look at each of these 4 by 6 grids, it's pretty clear that there's 24 of these green circle things in each of them. But what I want to show you is that you can get to 24 as the product of 3 numbers in multiple different ways. And it actually doesn't matter which products you take first or what order you actually do them in. So let's think about this first. So the way that I've colored it in, I have these 3 groups of 4. If you look at the blue highlighting, this is one group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. Actually, let me make it a little bit clearer. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, and 3 groups of 4. So these 3 columns you could view as 3 times 4. Now, we have another 3 times 4 right over here. This is also 3 times 4. We have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, and 3 groups of 4. So you could view these combined as 2 times 3 times 4. We have one 3 times 4, and then we have another 3 times 4. So the whole thing we could view as, let me give ourselves some more space, as 2 times, let me do that in blue, 2 times 3 times 4. That's the total number of balls here. And you can see it based on how it was colored. And of course, if you did 3 times 4 first, you get 12. And then you multiply that times 2, you get 24, which is the total number of these green circle things. And I encourage you now to look at these other 2, pause the video, and think about what these would be the product of. First looking at the blue grouping, then looking at the purple grouping in the same way that we did right over here, and verify that the product still equals 24.